all of you. Very first of all, I welcome all the regular as well as direct second year students to semester 4 of engineering. Myself, Professor Nitin Kenjale. I'm going to teach you Engineering Mathematics 4 subject in this semester. Now, very first of all, I will take you to the short tour of this syllabus as well as the examination scheme and term work for the subject Engineering Mathematics 4. Syllabus of this subject consists of 6 modules, including complex integration, statistical techniques, probability distribution, linear algebra topics, namely vector spaces and quadratic forms, as well as calculus of variation. First of which is complex integration. It is the extension of line integral, you may say that. In this topic, we will mainly focus on Cauchy's integral theorem and Cauchy's integral formula. We will also see Cauchy's residue theorem over here. In the module 2 of statistical techniques, we will see techniques to find out coefficient of correlation by using Carl Pearson's method as well as Spearman's rank method. We will also see what are lines of regression and how to fit first and second degree curves. In the third module of probability distribution, we will see what is called as random variable. Then we will see the random variables distribution in discrete and continuous way. In the next module, we are going to see what is called as vector spaces. Then we will see what is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. We will also learn Gram-Schmidt process. Next, we have another chapter from linear algebra called as quadratic forms. Over here, we will see how to write matrix of the quadratic form and then how to find out rank, index, signature, and value class of this matrix. We will also see a very important problem in engineering called as SVD, singular value decomposition. And lastly, we will see module calculus of variation. Over here, we are going to learn what is Euler-Lagrange equation. We will solve isometric problems. We will also learn what is Rayleigh-Ritz method. Well, these are the 6 modules in your syllabus. Next, I'll tell you what is the examination scheme for the subject. There will be 2 internal assessment tests, each of 20 marks. Average of these 2 tests will be considered at the time of result preparation. There is one end semester exam of 80 marks and term work of 25 marks is there for this syllabus. So in all, this subject Engineering Mathematics 4 awards you 125 marks. And lastly, we will see what is term work for this subject. This term work for the subject consists of tutorials, mini project, and the attendance. Student has to solve at least 6 tutorials based on entire syllabus. These tutorials will give you 10 marks. There is a mini project in which you have to present self-learning topic assigned by your faculty for 10 to 15 minutes in front of your class. This mini project can also give you 10 marks and your overall attendance will be considered for 5 marks. Thank you all of you.